So any tech we use in healthcare, right? How much can we trust that it's giving us the right answer? How much can we trust the data it's working off of? Things like that. And, I think with the large language models, right, that level is somewhat lower than with natural language processing and other technology that's been around for a little while. And so I think it's important to kind of delineate between the two and what different things are using. So if you talk, I kind of guess the first point here is to say when we're looking at what tech we should be using in healthcare, right, always want to be cutting edge, but also want to understand the bounds of what it can do. So I would say in that vein, right, when we're talking about what the AI does, right, let's talk about a GPT or another large language model. It will always answer a question with complete confidence that it's right? It's rarely gonna, if ever, be I'm not sure. I think a really important part of that is to understand that what it's saying it thinks is correct, but it doesn't actually understand what correct and incorrect is, right? It just knows that it's a really good next word guesser, right? It knows probability and what the percentage chance is that the next word is the most likely next word to come up. And it's doing that based on looking across the internet and just based on the frequency of things it sees, right? If it sees something that says something 20 times or something else says something once, right? That's going to be a very different, it's going to assume that the 20 times one is correct.